Hi guys, this is Chris with thelazyhouse.com. What we're going to be reviewing today is the Ryobi IR What it is basically a 3-in-1. It's an infrared thermometer, also a sonic distance measure, and laser pointer. So what that basically means to you is you can go ahead and measure distances, find out what temperatures are, and actually what's kind of interesting is you can calculate area and volume. Just reading off the front cover, what it does is it does indicate or is capable of indicating temperatures from -22 Fahrenheit all the way up to 518 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can easily measure just about anything that you have out there. In terms of distances, you can accurately measure up to 30 feet. So you're not able to measure huge spans, but if you're measuring the size of your living room or down the hallway or kitchens or things like this, you can definitely go ahead and measure that with ease. It does calculate volume. Pretty simple. How it works is we can take a look at the back. We can see that we have to scan, obviously, the x-axis is in the y-axis. Once we've scanned those axes, it will actually simply calculate it. I did cheat a little bit. I did get anxious and cut the side open, but let's go and jump right into it. When you open up the package, it is quite heavy. It's actually metallic-ish plastic, so it is got some durability into it. What I do like is, unlike everything else out there nowadays, it does come included with a standard 9-volt battery. And in terms of the actual quality of the battery, not the best. I'm definitely going to go ahead and upgrade this later on after I've used it. But here we go. What you get included is going to be the actual device itself, the IR sonic measure, 9-volt battery. To do it battery based, simply in the back, go ahead and open it up. Plug in your battery, make sure you get positive to positive, negative to negative. Slide it in there. Put the cover on, and then we're good to go. Turn it on, very simple. We're going to go ahead and push the on button. You can go ahead and clearly see that it does have the LED screen. In terms of functionality, we can go ahead and choose from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We're going to go ahead and put it into temperature mode. And you'll have to be learning with me. So we're going to go ahead and push the side button right here. It'll go ahead and tell us, say, like the temperature currently in my house is 28.3 Celsius. Convert it to Fahrenheit. It's going to be a nice 83.2 here in California. Let's go and switch the modes up. Next mode that we have, pretty difficult to see, but it's going to say feet and inches, so we're going to go ahead and shoot it. The distance from wherever I'm shooting to my ceiling is roughly about 6 feet 2 inches. If I move it up a little bit, it will shrink down, so kind of cool. Next mode, which is going to be the calculator. To get the calculator, push the X over equals, measure one distance, and then put it the next way and measure the other distance. It's going to go ahead and calculate it for you and tell you the square feet, so not bad there. Overall, this is reviewing the Ryobi CW1021 infrared sonic measure. Definitely have some uses for it. Make my jobs getting a little bit easier. But I think the coolest thing is just to get this cool laser pointer where you can go ahead and laser point whatever you want to laser point. This has been Chris with thelazyhouse.com. As always, like, comment, and subscribe.